Hey guys, welcome back to Trick. To do it another Brainstellar Quant puzzle. This one is called Dark Room Deck, and this is an easy problem. So just to explain the problem real quick. Imagine yourself in a dark room where you can't really see whether the card is facing up or downwards. We've been told that we've been given a complete deck of 52 cards, and among those 52 cards, there are randomly 10 cards which are facing up, and the rest are facing down. And now, with the light still off, we have to split the deck into two decks, such that in both of the decks, the number of cards facing up should be the same. So, just to give you guys a few hints to help you guys move towards the solution, the deck doesn't have to be equal splits of 26 and 26. This is what I initially thought when I read the problem, and I think it's crucial to be pointed out over here. The question technically says that the decks in itself have to be of equal numbers. All that we have to maintain is that within the two splits, the number of cards facing up are always equal. So that is something that we have to keep in mind, right? Now, another hint is that the number 10, as been in the problem, is not special in any means. We could have been asked the same problem with exactly 12 cards facing up, or exactly 11 cards facing up, or to be quite frank, it could have been any number between 1 and 52. And this also means that the number of cards could have been odd, right? And this also comes to the next hint, that is that the ending solution doesn't have to be, in this case, since we've got 10 cards facing up, it doesn't have to be 5 and 5 in each split. Now you might ask that how am I supposed to do that? Only 10 cards facing up. Well, the trick is that we can do whatever we want with the cards. It's just that we can't actually look at the cards whether they're facing up or down. And what do I mean by whatever we want? Specifically, we are allowed to flip the cards. This is also a crucial point that I think the problem is lacking to clarify. But yes, you can flip the cards. So you can change the number of cards that are facing up. All the problem cares about is that in your final solution, there has to be the same number of cards facing up in both splits. So I've just listed down the hints over here for you guys to try to pause and think about everything. So now we'll be coming to the proper solution. So initially, I have 52 cards, right, among which I have 10 of them facing up, right? Now the solution is to pick any 10 cards among these 52 cards and set them aside. So now I have 10 cards over here and 42 cards over here. Now, let's say among these 10 cards that I've took out over here, there are X cards facing up, right? Now, what are constraints X? Well, X can be somewhere from 0 all the way up to 10. Is that correct? Right? So there's X cards facing up over here, which means there's 10 minus X cards facing up over here. Since among these 10 cards facing up initially, X went this way and 10 minus X went this way. So since there's 10 cards in total, can I say that if there's X cards facing up, there are 10 minus X cards facing down in this deck, right? Now, I think you guys might start to see the solution. We know that there are 10 minus X cards facing down over here. We know there are 10 minus X cards facing up over here. What if I just take this deck over here, the selected 10 cards that I took out randomly, and completely flip this? What's going to happen is that these cards are going to become, these cards over here are going to become facing down, and these cards over here are going to become facing up. So now we have 10 minus X cards facing up, and basically X cards facing down. And over here, it's still the same, 10 minus X cards facing up. So there you go. So just to go over the solution one more time real quick. Of the 52 initial cards, we know that 10 of them are facing up. We split them into 10 and 42, right? We know that X cards facing up come this way, and 10 minus X cards facing up come this way. Now, the beauty of taking 10 cards separated out is that we have x cards facing up, we have 10 minus x cards facing down, right? And if we just flip this entire deck, this becomes x cards facing down and 10 minus x cards facing up, which is exactly equal to the amount of facing up cards in this 42 size deck. So this is the solution, and I hope you guys understood it, and thanks for watching.